Yeah, just Sveno Mick here. Look, I haven't had my old IT 490 going for about, I reckon she's 3 months, so I've just got a bit of reasonably fresh fuel in her. About to pull off the cylinder head and get the decompressor put into the cylinder head, make it easier to start, because it's pretty hard on the kickstarter gears and pretty hard on me starting this old 500. I know how to start them pretty well, but as I'm getting getting more feeble, it's getting not hard to start for me, but when you're out in the bush and that, it's just easier for them to hit the decompressor, and it's easy to start like a 125. But anyhow, we'll see how many kicks she takes. She's staying motherless cold, as you can see. She hasn't been going. I'll just give the fuel a bit of a shake up. So we're going to see. See how many kicks the big girl takes. Ignition on. Up against the trailer. Shake that fuel up. Got the earmuffs on. One kick. 2 kicks. 3 kicks. 4 kicks. Oh, she doesn't want to go. 5. Just check and make sure I've got fuel in there. Enough. Might be too stale. There's plenty of fuel in there. She normally takes 3 kicks. So how was that? How was that? How was that? Isn't it a bloody ripper? Bloody. Yeah. Just starting to warm up. 7 kicks, I think. Well, there you go. That's most it's ever taken from a cold start. But yeah, so I'll start to pull this apart on Sunday, to put that apart. And this is actually a it's on its last oversize on that barrel, so it's actually 500cc, this one. And yeah, probably, oh look, I'm going to get that cylinder head done, and the front forks have just been done at MPE down the coast, on the sunny coast. MPE, Paul Berwick's MPE, and that was just new springs. On one of the springs was broken, and that's a disc brake front end, so that's actually off a 91 KDX, and the last of the conventional fork KDX 200s, I think. I'm pretty sure they're a cartridge fork. I've got to get a new set of front brake pads on it because the left-hand leg was the one that was leaking, and I leaked a lot of oil over the disc pads. Same on my TDR, and I had it's embedded into the pads, and the brakes as weak as weak. Back shock I've got to get pulled apart and rebuilt. It's on the rebound. I think it probably lost a bit of its oil or something not going right in here. So that's going to have to be just serviced and checked over, and whatever's got to be done in that. But I've got my TMX carby on it now, McCuney TMX flat slide. Oh, that's what I probably didn't do. I probably should have laid it over on its side. It seems to need a bit more choke, and it needs to flood a bit. I forgot all about it because I actually haven't had it in the bush since I put that TMX carby on it. So I'm going to leave it at that. So next time you see this old girl, she'll have a decomp head on her. I think the decomp head, now let me think, I'm not sure if it exits here. They take a few fins out, or it's on the other side. I'm not 100% sure. But Extreme Engineering down in Victoria, so they're not back until the 15th. So I'll get that off, and I'm going to paint that pipe up again. Needs a good hit with it. It's only a new DG pipe, and I want to re-register it because I've got to start using it again. But I'm going to leave it at that. Sveno Mick on a nice cool afternoon. I got the shirt off because I seem to feel the mugginess these days. The old YZ490 puts a smile on my dial, as all my little toys do. And what more can you want as a man to keep your head stimulated? Farting around with the toys you love farting around with. And that's what you got to have as a male, because that's what we like. And there's a few females that like riding bikes, no doubt, but for me, I've just got to have this stimulating my brain. It's just the way it is. So be nice to your fellow Australians, be nice to the fellow travellers, be nice to everyone. Just plain out be nice. Don't be an a-hole. It's easy to be reasonably friendly. I'm going to leave it at that. Sveno Mick from Sveno Mick. Sveno Mick out.